Chairman sir, Vice Chairman sir, Director sir, and all my faculty members and non-teaching staff and all my dear students. On behalf of LCIT School of Pharmacy and LCIT Group of Institution, I welcome one and all on such a auspicious and prestigious day, that is World Pharmacist Day. First, we should know why we are celebrating this day as World Pharmacist Day. Actually, the purpose of celebration of this day is to encourage the activities which may promote and which may advocate the role of pharmacists in improving health in every corner of the world. As Lalita Madam told, that what actually this day is established by the International Federation of Pharmacists. It is actually a group in which many number of pharmacists are there. They met in one conference in 2009 in Turkey, Istanbul, and they decided in 2009 that 25th September, they will celebrate the 25th September as World Pharmacist Day. And after 2009, and you can say from 2010, whole world globally celebrated this 25th September as a World Pharmacist Day. And each and every year we are having different themes on which are based on the role of the pharmacist in community. And in this year we are having the theme that is transforming global health. It means how we people are actually involved with the transforming global health. This was the topic of theme of this year. In India, from 2013, we have adopted this day as World Pharmacist Day, means 25th September, and we are celebrating from 2013 this day. The Our government of India, the Family and Health Ministry of our government has also declared 25th September as an annual official day. It means it is also incorporated into the our official calendar as an annual day. And pharmacists are third largest group in healthcare system, and near about 10 lakhs of the pharmacists, they are serving our nation by their skills, by their knowledge. And they are working at various positions in India. And from 2017, our Pharmacy Council of India has also decided to give various awards to various types of pharmacists, those who are working in various positions, like community pharmacy, like a hospital pharmacist, and your regulatory pharmacist, research pharmacist, and academic pharmacists, they industrial pharmacists. So due to their outstanding work in field of pharmacy, they are they are giving various awards, lifetime achievement awards, best pharmacist award to them. And without taking your much time, I wish all of you a very happy World Pharmacist Day. And I want to revise few points which must we should know, and these are the responsibility of the people to conduct such type of ensure such type of activities when we become a pharmacist. First thing is that we must ensure quality of the medicine. Quality of the medicine, it means we have to provide the safe and effective medicines to the community. Second, when supply of the medicines within law. What it means if we are providing medicines to the community, so it must be within the law, means it must be of good quality, it must be safe. And we supply medicines which are suppose some scandals is going on in continuation, like Deepika Padukone, they are involved in drugs, and this type of drugs, cocaine, and these are banned, and these are only given on the when these are written by the medical practitioner, and when these are actually comes under the law. So we have to supply we must ensure that supply of medicines is must be under law, and we must supply medicines to the patient and also advise them. This is also our responsibility. Advise them means what? How to take, when to take, and how many times they have to take that particular medicine. So this is our role, and also last again once again, happy world pharmacist day to one and all those who are listening me, and to all my faculty members. And thank you so much, director sir, for coming here, being with us, and accepting our invitation very quickly, because I had invited him yesterday only. So thank you so much, sir, for being with us. And now I just uh,